Lauren, what's wrong? What did you do? What did you do? Did you take the dishwasher apart? We were unloading it together. Lauren, look at Mom. What did you do? What happened? What happened? Don't scowl at me. Hey, what happened? Tell me. Yeah, uh-oh. What'd you do? It's not in the dishwasher anymore. Lauren? Can you say sorry? Lauren, look at Mom. Can you say sorry? Lauren? Say sorry. Don't scowl at me. Say sorry. What are you going to do? Lauren, will you do your dance for me? Will you do a wiggle? Oh yeah. Lauren, do you love Mom? Lauren, do you love Mommy? Do you want to say sorry? Say sorry? Okay. Let's put the rest of the dishes away. Want to put that in the drawer? Put it in the drawer. Put it in the drawer, Lauren. Put it in the drawer. That's a girl. Put it in there. Now close the door. Good girl. Thanks. Yay!